Hi everybody, it's Mr. Adam. Today we're going to learn about making a choice. And you're like, what is making a choice? Making a choice is choosing something that you want the best. So I can start with an example. I spy with my little eye 2 pens. And a teacher might say to me, do you want the yellow or the green pen? And I can choose which one. Today I'm going to choose yellow. I choose yellow. And that is making a choice. We could also do it with toys. I have 2 toys. I have a horse and a dinosaur. Which one do I choose? Today, I think I'm going to play with the horse. Playing with a horse was my choice. I'll do one more. I could choose between playing with Mr. Beaver. Hi, everybody. Hello. Or I could choose between a truck. Mr. Beaver? Or a truck. Vroom, vroom, vroom. I think today I'm going to choose Mr. Beaver. Yay, we get to play together. We do get to play together. And that is making a choice. So everybody have a great day and choose and make choices for the things that you want the most. Bye, everybody. Bye. Bye, everybody. Have fun making your choices.